Hey guys, it's JP554731 and I just got another package from your pan. And actually I had this, I ordered this on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, so Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday. So it's been 4 days. I had this shipped out through DHL, but since it was the weekend, it didn't get to me in the usual one business day, so I had to end up waiting till today. So here's what I got. I got a couple of things in this order. I got Vol Shark from it's a Ranger key from Kaizoku Sentai Gokaiger. Gosei Knight, another Candy Ranger key. And I got I think this is a new condition Gokai Cellular. This is looking pretty good. Let's see, I got another Tyranno Ranger. And I got a couple of Gundam Weapons magazines. This one is pretty new. This is Gundam Weapons Endless Waltz, featuring Proto Zero. Gundam Weapons, I guess this is Gundam Builders, or Gundam Build Fighters. Wow, these are in really nice condition, actually. This is Gundam Weapons, I guess it's a Gundam Unicorn, I don't know. Oh, it's the episode 3 and 2 episode 5 edition. And then the last thing that I got was this Gundam Weapons Zagok Amphibious Mobile Suit Special Edition. So yeah, that pretty much does it for this order. I'll be getting another order probably in the next 2 days, so I'll be posting a video up soon. I'll also be getting a new airbrush soon, so I can't wait till I get that. I'll probably be pumping out some more models after that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, as I always appreciate that. See you guys later.